Hi, welcome back to the course. In the previous modules, we were reviewing some Windows forensic essentials, or key points where every forensic analyst should look to find evidence. This is something common in every Windows machine. Now, in this module, we are going to analyze and see how to review some common type of files, such as Office files, pictures, and browser files. This is important as Windows usually comes with a default browser, photo viewer, and Office suite. Microsoft Word forensic analysis is something that digital forensic investigators do quite often for document authentication, because of the great popularity of Microsoft Office. Many important business documents such as contracts and memoranda are created using Word. Some of these documents may become key evidence and subject to forensic authentication. Microsoft Word saves information about a document in addition to the actual contents of the document. This additional information is called metadata, from the Greek meta, meaning higher or beyond. This includes who created the document, on which machine it was created, who edited the document, and whether the document was saved under a different name. We can use document metadata parsers such as AntiWord, CacDoc, FITools, among others, to review this information. Or in Microsoft Office Word, we can go to the menu File, and under the Info option, we could be able to see information about the file. Every picture file has information embedded about how the photo was taken. This information includes the original picture creation date and the type of camera used to take the photo. This is very important for the cases where we can link a picture to a crime scene or to a device found in the crime scene. This metadata can be found in pictures, audio, or video files. We can use specialized tools to extract this information. There are some useful and very easy to use tools for metadata analysis on images, such as EXIF tool, which you can download in your Windows operating system and analyze the image fingerprint just by dragging and dropping the file into the application icon. EXIF stands for Exchangeable Image File Format. Most modern cameras store EXIF data in every photo file they create. EXIF data is metadata. Basically, it stores the camera settings used to create the picture and the time and date it was created. There are online tools as well which will allow you to see this metadata without downloading anything to your computer. We will see more about this in the next video. Many users think that it is impossible to find out which websites they have visited when they delete the cache and the history. This is not true. There is a file on the system that collects information about websites and cookies. In Windows 7 and earlier, Internet Explorer 9 and earlier used the index.dat to index all this information, including the internet cache, cookies, and history. Every URL and every web page that is listed there was indexed. The information is retained even if the user decided to delete the browser cache and history. Not only that, but all the email that had been sent or received through Outlook or Outlook Express also gets logged in these index.dat files. These files were to be found therefore in the internet cache, cookies, and history folders. You will need a specialized program to view the content of index.dat files. Tools such as Pasco by Kit Jones, index.dat scanner, or index.dat suite are tools that can display the information stored in those database files in Windows 7 or earlier. However, things changed with Windows 8 and 10. In Windows 8, index.dat files are not used by Internet Explorer 10. The indexing function is being implemented within a Microsoft database system. The file named webcache-vo1.dat is located in the folder within the system partition Users, Username, App Data, Local, Microsoft, Windows, Web Cache. The software ESE database view developed by Nearsoft can be used for browsing the database content. Okay, before finishing, here's a quick question for you. When analyzing a picture, what is EXIF data? Do you think it's A, information about the camera settings used to create the picture and the time and date it was created, or B. information about the operating system used to analyze the picture, or C. a tool for analyzing the picture's metadata, or D. none of the above. If you said A, you are correct. EXIF stands for Exchangeable Image File Format, and modern cameras store EXIF data in every photo file they create. So, we have analyzed how to review some important files that you probably will encounter when performing a forensic analysis. Now, let's see how to do this by performing some hands-on exercises. Don't forget to check the references and supplementary materials, and join me in the next videos where we will be doing some labs.